How to add TKinter module in Python. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we're going to need to do first is we need to have Python. So if you don't have Python, just search up for Python in your browser and then just go to downloads right here. Afterwards, just simply click on download Python right here. Click on download now and then just wait for the download to finish. So once it's done, just open it up, click on install now. But before you click on install now, make sure to click on add python.exe to path. Afterwards, just simply click on install now, click on yes, and then just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, you're already done, so you can exit out of here. And then once it's done installing, what you can do is just simply open up CMD. Afterwards, to check if you've installed Python correctly, just type in python -- version, and there you go. So as you can see, we have Python 3.13. So there you go. That means that you've installed it correctly. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna install pip. So to install pip, there will be links down in the description below on how to install pip. So just copy the first text that will be down in the description, which is this one. So just paste it in. Afterwards, just wait for it to download. And then when it's done, what you want to do now is to copy the second line of text that will be again in the description. Copy this. Afterwards, just simply paste it in. So it's python get-pip.py. Click on enter. Afterwards, just wait for the installation to finish. So there you go, successfully installed. So next, what we're going to do now is to install the TKinter module. So again, just copy the last one. So it's python-m pip install pytk. So just click on enter again. Afterwards, just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go, it's now done. So it says here successfully installed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add TKinter module in Python.